Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will show you the graphics that I made using Python so far, and I already made a video tutorial on how you can actually create Windows logo using Python. So if you haven't checked that out, please go and watch that video. And this graphic designing will help you in two ways. First one is you can improve your logical thinking. Second one is you can bring it into reality whatever you imagine, right? So these were the graphics that I made so far, so have a look on them. So those were some of the graphics that I made so far using Python, and all the source code of those graphics are available on my GitHub profile. So I'll put a link in the description box below. You can follow me on GitHub and you can download the source code. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know which graphic you like the most in the comment section below. And please like and share this video with your friends who are really interested in tech, and also check out my other videos as well. Thank you so much for watching. This is your Kiran signing off. I'll see you in my next video.